Outlet giving intermittent power can be super frustrating and even kinda dangerous if you don't handle it right, so knowing how to fix it safely is clutch. First off, always turn off the power at the breaker before messing with any outlet. That's just common sense, you know? Next, grab a voltage tester to check if the outlet is really dead or just acting up. If the wiring is loose inside the outlet box, tighten those screws because loose connections are a big cause of intermittent power. Sometimes the outlet itself is just shot, so swapping it out with a new one can solve the problem fast. Don't forget to check the wires for any signs of damage like fraying or burning. If you spot that, it's time to call a pro. Also, make sure you're using the right type of outlet for your needs, like GFCI outlets in kitchens or bathrooms. If you notice the outlet sparks or smells weird, stop immediately and get an electrician. This isn't something to mess around with. Finally, test the new or fixed outlet with a small device like a lamp before putting everything back to be sure it works solid. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlets giving intermittent power is ignoring loose wiring. This can cause flickering or no power at all, and the fix is just tightening those connections. Another common issue is using the wrong outlet type for the space, especially in wet areas where you really need a ground fault circuit interrupter outlet for safety. Lastly, many folks try to fix damaged or burnt wires themselves without proper tools or know-how, which can make things worse. If you see any burnt spots, it's best to call a licensed electrician right away. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know all about electrical repairs and much more, making it way easier to get quality work done without the stress. For contractors, it's a solid platform to connect with people needing their skills and grow their business with real leads.